Hey guys, come spend the day with me while I clean out the vents in my house. I've been putting them up for a while now, but I decided today was the day to do it. After gathering my equipment and my safety gear, by my equipment I just mean my screwdriver, but I had on N95 and safety goggles. I have a three-bedroom house with two living spaces, so I figured it was gonna take some time. When I got up there, I was shocked by what I saw. Some of them were really bad. This was one of the bad ones. I sprayed and cleaned out the vent hole. This was after I cleaned out one of the holes. And you can't lie, I really did a good job with that one. And now my air purifier won't have to work overtime, I hope. After taking down the vents, I let them soak in a bleach soapy water for a while. Honestly, I thought that was the longest part because it took forever. It was 13 vents in total, so you can imagine how long it took me to take all of that down, soak them, and wash them. Not gonna lie, I was pretty impressed with my cleaning skills. Check that vent out. Remember what it looked like. And of course, I had to take a break in between to make a post. I can't forget about you guys. I need to keep you entertained. This was when I was trying to take down the vent in the bathroom and I bumped my head. I had to stop the video because that really hurt. After a quick Google research, they suggested something that could help prevent mold from forming more frequently. So I went to Lowe's. And when I did include this, so when I got to Lowe's, they had already put up their Christmas stuff. And you know me, I could not resist. So I had to look around. For a brief moment, it felt like it was November already. After being lost in the Christmas spirit for a while, I had to go look for what I came in for. I almost got lost looking at other stuff again. If you know me, you know I love laws. But this is the stuff I got. It's called mold control and it's supposed to eliminate and prevent mold from forming in the future. So hopefully that helps. So I just spray them in the vent holes before putting the vents back in place. Hopefully that will prevent mold from forming in the future. There's my little helper. She followed me in every room. After the mold control was dry, it was time to spray the vents back in place. That took some time too. But while I was up there, I decided to clean up my fence as well. I've been meaning to do that too for, for a while now. After all said and done, vents were back in place and I can finally breathe in clean air again.